puppy. Come here, puppy. These are the GoldenDoodles. I believe the green one. Wait. The green one is my second choice. And the red one, the orange one, is my number one choice. Come here. Come here, puppy. Come here. See, he comes to me. He listens to me. How you doing, pretty girl? How you doing, pretty girl? Come here. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here, girl. Can't decide which one. The two look the same. Come here. Come here. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Oh. Oh. See, this has got to be the one. She comes to me all the time. It's so cute.
They're 5 weeks tomorrow.
Okay. Here's my card.
Okay.
All that numbers on there.
Okay. Okay.
Puppy, puppy, puppy.
So if we know who Mommy is, we're coming to find Mommy.
Yep.
Here we go. Come this way. Come here. Now we're going for Mommy. Come here.
Is it usually the female the boss or the male is more dominant?
Usually the male a little bit. It's not a big difference. But usually the male's a little bit more dominant. So where are they?
There we go.
The girls got some pictures of all 6 of the females.
Okay.
If you want to give me an